Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our second mining news flash today. Bluestone Resources gave a corporate update on the company's recent activities at their Cerro Blanco gold project in Guatemala, in addition to their response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The immediate focus at Bluestone Resources is the safety and well-being of its stakeholders, and the company has implemented strict measures to minimize the risk of contagion. Bluestone's Cerro Blanco gold project is in the engineering phase, and the company is focused on project readiness activities in addition to optimization and engineering efforts, which fortunately can continue to advance remotely. Given the nature of these works, most of these initiatives are progressing and can be advanced through desktop or lab facilities and utilizing video conferencing tools. Additionally, the company is building out their project execution team, including underground mining and engineering roles. This is good news, as Bluestone can still use the corona downtime to advance the project further into the project finance. So far, no COVID-19 cases have been reported from the company's employee base in Canada or Guatemala. On the project has the infill drilling in the south zone been temporarily suspended, with 2,330 meters completed of a planned 9,000 meter program. The CEO, Jack Lundin, said, "The health and safety of our employees and communities is our top priority. We will continue to take the necessary steps and actions to ensure their well-being." We are fortunate enough that, given the stage of Cerro Blanco, most aspects of the project can continue to advance as we work with the relevant engineering firms and financial institutions. Lastly, we wish to give special thanks to all those first responders and health professionals in Guatemala and Canada who are helping to manage this COVID-19 pandemic, he said. IsoEnergy reported again fantastic assay results from the winter 2020 drilling program at the Hurricane Zone. The assays received from drill hole LE 2051 averaged 14.5% U3O8 and 3.5% nickel over 7.5 meters from 322 to 330 meters. A higher grade sub-interval within LE 2051 averaged 30.9% U3O8 and 7.1% nickel over 3.5 meter, and other assay results included 3.6% U3O8 and 1.4% nickel over 10 meters. Assays from the final two drill holes are still pending, both of which intersected long lengths of strong uranium mineralization, including sub-intervals of off-scale radioactivity, so hopefully much more positive news to come soon in a rising uranium price environment. CEO Craig Perry said, "These results come at an important time for the uranium mining industry. With the suspension of operations at several uranium mines and mills around the world, including at the world's largest mine, Cameco's Cigar Lake, we are starting to see uranium prices in the spot market rise strongly in recent days. Should these mines stay offline for an extended period, we see further upward pressure on prices as utilities move to secure supply." IsoEnergy continues to be one of the most active uranium explorers globally, and the great results from these holes are further evidence of the high-grade nature and significance of the Hurricane discovery. We currently have $3.7 million on hand and so are well funded for 2020 and beyond, he said. Skeena Resources announced the closing of the first tranche of the non-brokered private placement offering, with collected gross proceeds of approximately 15 million Canadian dollars from the sale of 13 million BC super flow-through shares at a price of $1.15 per share. Due to strong demand for flow-through shares from outside of British Columbia, the company has upsized the offering to 30 million Canadian dollars and has added a national flow-through component at $1.05 per share. The company expects to close the balance of the offering in mid-April. This shows one more time the big confidence and trust into the project and the successful Skeena team. Well done, guys. Who gets money in those shaky times will make it through. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.